What's up, guys? This is a new day here in the shop. Doing something a little different. Kind of goofing around a little bit in the shop. Loving my American flag. And what we're going to do today is we're going to change this transmission fluid in this piece of crap car. Was my son's car. He's replaced it since then. Hit a deer. It's just not that good a shape. So what we're going to do, we are going to replace the transmission fluid with Bud Light. So I'm not here to offend anybody. Don't do what I do at home. I'm just wanting to see.
Well, duh.
I strongly do not recommend doing this to a car.
This is all wrong.
So first thing we need to do is drain out that old tranny fluid. Well, as you can see, some good old Hyundai engineering there. Just drain it all over the top of the cross members.
So things are like,
It's ready for changing. So what I think I'm going to do first is I need to get some of this Bud Light in there. Drain out all the oil. Oh man, it's going to be frothy. Drain out all the old stuff. Maybe two. Two might be better than one, huh? Yeah. Get all that out of there. Get all the excess tranny fluid out of there. Put the new tranny fluid in. Put the plug back in. Big guy underneath the small cart. Alright. That's tight. I can tell you right now, that needed to be changed. Not real sure what the allotted amount of beer is for tranny fluid in here, but I'm assuming oh yeah, that's frothy. Burp. She's burping. What's that? Burped out of the transmission. Oh, that's nice. That just burped out of the transmission. That's the lid off of a quart of oil. You know, the little thing you push in? Yeah, that just burped out of the transmission. That's how nice this car is. Well, that was number 5. Well, this is like number 7. I think we'll start it now and see what it sounds like.
She's alive! Alive!
Well, so far so good. Still has all the gears. I'm not gonna say that ain't gonna look like a milkshake.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
You can see I put 14 in there. That brought it right up to the full mark after I put it in gear. We'll just send it and see. Alright, let's see what this thing can do, huh? Oh, Trip. We need to mile that out to 0. Alright. Let's see what we can do. Oh yeah. Better put my seatbelt on so it stop dinging. Maybe. How far you think it's gonna go? Well, it's going so far. How far? Woo, got some snap. We're up to 30. Well, as inspected, it's still going. Blinker does not work. Oh. Oh, transmission light just came on. Yep, it's not too happy. It's just fine. You don't need to worry about that little dumb light up there.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I got tranny fluid in it. Uh-huh. Oh, we're up to 45.
That's not crazy talk.
No problems yet.
This is crazy talk.
What you gonna do, car?
Hey man, it's 911.
Oh man, we got water. Missed the water. Uh-huh. Wipers. Wipers. Juice.
Oh, look at this. What are you wiping the windows?
It's still going. Hello. Alright, love you, bud. Huh. Well, that's 3 miles. She's still going. She shifted. Woo! 65.
This is crazy talk.
Yeah, I probably should slow down. That's 20-mile-an-hour corner. was about 4.5 miles. Still working. I feel like we should get out. I brought my little heat gauge here, see what that transmission's reading. All right. Transmission sitting at 135. Runner. Oh yeah. Bud Light, man. You're something.
Provides friction-free lubrication for all your equipment needs.
It's even shifting. Still. Steering sucks. Yes, it does. It is like horrible. It's got a stick to it. That's another thing that's wrong with this car. So, it's not like I'm ruining a good car, guys. This is not a good car at all. But, we're almost at 5 miles. Still going. Oh, that was the first chirp I heard out of that thing. Let's see what we got. See if we can make it back to the shop.
If you ain't first, you're last.
Pretty sure I can make it back to the shop. Oh no, we got water again. Oh shit. There we go. Lock the GoPros. Wipers. Full blast. I can't see shit.
I'm freaking out, man.
Alright, well. I mean, I'm at 6 miles. How is this even humanly possible?
God damn.
And it's still shifting. I mean, every bushing in this car, every tire in this car, about every piece of bodywork in this car, it is all just not there.
All made in Taiwan.
Holy cow. We still got plenty of training. I mean, what's the odds in that? It's got a little chirp to it now. Whew, still shifting. Uh-huh. I think we might even make it back to the shop. Had my wife following me the whole time in my truck to push me home, but I don't think I needed it. That's very odd.
I mean, just get a look at that.
Do like a neutral. We'll do like a neutral drop here. Oh yeah. Holy crap. She's still going. She's got it. I mean, never thought I was pulling back in here with this thing. Oh, that's too good.
Bam! There you have it.
So, the tranny temp is 144. So let's check this thing, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's some milkshake right there.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and their life is better than yours.
You know, the funny thing about that is, no one ever even would second guessed that Bud Light would work as tranny fluid. Yeah, I strongly recommend not doing that at home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that Bud Light in there. We're going to see what else we could do to that car that could just... There's Brown Dog. They could destroy this whole situation. There's a lot more things to come with this car. Trust me. There's going to be some, you know, maybe center to the moon on the rev limiter and... See how long that lasts? Maybe a little tannerite. You know. So, before you guys hack it, Bud Light can be tranny fluid. Check that one off the list. But I'll stick to my Miller Lite. You guys have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.